I'm going to add second Python file. Extension py. And this time, how to place comments? It's pretty simple, hash sign. Multiple variables declaration. Now, I want to declare some variables, so I'm gonna say salary, comma, annual bonus, comma, and some premium. Let's assign values salary 65,123, comma, to salary. To bonus, it's gonna be, let's say, 25,123. And to premium 15,123 or 10. 10,123. That's it. Now I want to print it. Okay, so I can print like that. First of all, I wanna put everything in string. So how can I do it? For all of them, summation inside. There is a curly brackets for variables. So simply salary plus bonus plus premium. But how to display it? Because these are variables. There is f function, f double quote. Here double quote, it should be all in double quote. And in this case, you can put some text. Like that. Let's put it on display. This is it. Now you know how to put your multiple variables as variables in curly brackets and put them and display them using f into one whole string. I'll put here comment. Next one. We can reassign these values. Let's say it's gonna be total annual and it's gonna be equal salary plus bonus plus premium. Plus premium. Now, to display all of this, I need to convert a string. Total annual. To cast to string data type. Now let's see. Here it is, total annual earnings, total annual earnings. one data type display, another data type display. Now, let's say I need to declare something else. Declare different data set. Let's say it's gonna be annual salary, then it's going to be annual bonus, and it's gonna be annual tax. And here we do something like that. Annual salary 75,123. Then annual bonus will be 25,123. And annual tax will be 0.15. So now I need to calculate what's gonna be altogether. So first of all, I need to verify tax. So I say tax amount annual salary plus annual bonus, and all of this multiplied by annual tax. So now I need to display it. Gonna print f string. So first of all, I'm going to say annual income. Then we need curly brackets. Here, annual all of this in parentheses. And minus tax. Okay, let me see what we've got here. File save. Quotes, quotes and F. I need to print something. Or simply execute it and run as Python file. All good. Annual tax will be 15%. 15%, it's $1,500. Sorry, it's $15,000. So it's like that. If I'll make here different amount, let's say I'll put 2, file save. Let me see. You can run it. Okay, so what did you learn right now? You learn how to put multiple variable, how to declare multiple variables and assign multiple values in Python. Then you learn how to put everything in a string using f and using curly brackets for the variables. Then you learn a different type of calculations, how to manipulate data, how to create variable, how to assign variable calculations, and how to display it. That's it. See you in the next lecture.